It's also got a hidden pocket.
Let's make that our little secret.
Go on. Gotcha.
Look at it.
This used to be the deck for the roof outside. And I'm standing in the addition that we did in 2011 to make a master suite. And so this house originally was built in around 1900, and it's a Sears kit house. And it has these really interesting gables, same on all four sides, with a second pitch underneath each one of those. And it created these really interesting pockets inside of the roof area there that for 100 plus years had just been closed off. And then we did an extensive remodel in 2007. So we opened up a bunch of the nooks under here and just tried to make them into quirky and interesting spaces. So now I've got one in my closet over there, and this other one here that's just kind of been a dead space for many years. And actually we had a leak in the roof because we didn't do the transition very well. I fixed the roof, first of all. Then I decided, let's do something fun in this little pocket and make it much more interesting, if not useful. For the inside of my secret cabinet, I used aromatic cedar scraps from my casket biz. And finished it with mineral oil. But darn it if there was just no way to get that box to fit, so I cut it in half and installed it. Of course I had to throw in a little time capsule behind the cabinet before I sealed it in. I used beetle kill pine scraps from the caskets for the rest of the wall, door, and shelves. Trimmed it up, then stained and clear coated. I installed the shelves and put cabinet hinges on the secret door. A magnet latch completed the install, and now we can hide all our super extravagant jewelry and valuables and whatnot.
Don't jump that.
Don't jump on the bed.